Felicia. Welcome to the music section of this tutorial. This is X1's Flash song. So if you guys want the explanation tutorial, please sure to click there or in the description box below. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys give this a like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. In this video, we will do 75%, 90%, and full speed. And as per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for learning this with me. I really do appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys tag me at felicia.covers if you guys decide to cover this dance and learn it from me. Hopefully I'll be able to do more tutorials at my university, so be sure to follow me on my social media. All of them are in the description box below, so you guys can get an updated life about me. Don't forget, I have a second channel. It's Felicia Vlogs. Make sure you guys click in the description box below to subscribe there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!